Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to hide or merge rows and columns on Google Sheets. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to hide or merge rows and columns on Google Sheets. To hide rows and columns, which is the first thing that we're going to start with, go to Google Sheets and open the sheet where you want to hide rows and columns. Then the next step to do is to click on the row number on the left side of the sheet to select it. That's for you to hide a row, right? So click on the row number, which is there. Once you do that, you can also select multiple rows by clicking and dragging, or you can hold the sheet to select additional rows. But I just want to stick with the first row. Then, if you want to hide a column, click on the lettered header at the top of the column to select it. To select multiple columns, drag across the headers or hold Shift and click additional columns. So once you're done, for rows, so let's say this is a row. For rows, go ahead and right click on the selected row, then select hide row, which is here, from the menu. So once you do that, that's it. But if you're hiding a column, click on the column and right click, the same process, hide column, and that column has been hidden. You see B has been hidden and row 4 has also been hidden. For you to unhide row or column, let's say for row, click the small arrow between the visible rows where the hidden row is located. And you see that that has been unhidden. And for you to unhide column, just click on this like this pause icon here. Click on that. And you see that it's been unhidden. So let's go to the next step, which is how to merge rows and columns. Select the cells to merge rows. It means you can drag your cursor across the cells you want to merge horizontally across rows. So select the cells, and this is the cell that I want to merge. All right, so let me have another in here, which is root. So select cells to merge rows. I'm going to drag my cursor, and that has been selected. So you can also select cells to merge columns. So drag the cursor down across the cells you want to merge vertically across the columns. And you can also merge multiple rows and columns simultaneously by selecting a block of cells. So to merge the cells, go to Format. All right, so go to Format menu at the top and select Merge Cells. And once you click on Merge Cells, here from the drop down, so from the following options, you're going to find a couple of options here. Extended menu, so you can click on merge all. If you click on merge all, it will merge all selected cells into one large cell. If you click on merge horizontally, it merges selected cells into the same row. And if you click on merge vertically, it merges selected cells in the same column. So you can just choose any of them. Now, once cells are merged, the contents in the upper left cell will remain visible. The other contents will be removed, and you can still format the merged cells by adjusting text alignment, borders, etc. For you to unmerge cells, just go ahead and select the merged cells and go to Format, go to Merge Cells and select Unmerge, and it will split the cells back into its original output. So let's see how we can get that done. So I'm merging the cells, right? And I'm getting to Format, and I'm getting to Merge Cells, and I'm getting to Merge horizontally. And since merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value merging away, and I click on OK and see that the cells have been merged into one cell. So I want to unmerge. I head over to Format and I go to Merge Cells and I click on Unmerge, and it has been unmerged. So that's pretty much it. By using the steps, you can easily hide and merge rows and columns to better organize your data in Google Sheets. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.